So, in this video, tuturuan ko po kayo paano mag-void. Voiding is a process kung saan nabili na po yung product ng ating customer po, binayaran niya na, and then ibabalik niya. So, it could be returns po. So, this is how we do it. The first is you tap the item, and then tap lang po natin yung mga product natin. So, tap lang natin si burger. I'm going to randomly select. Ito po yung process kung saan bumibili pa yung customer natin. So, I'm going to tender this one. And then, ilagay ko lang yung pera ng customer natin. And then, tap OK. So, the moment nag-tap OK ako, automatically po, as you can see, nagpiprint po yung ating resibo. So, this is the receipt po. And we have here on top yung ating receipt number. So, here is my receipt number. 35 po. Nakikita natin yan dito sa taas, yung SO number 35. So, ito po yung receipt number na i-return natin. So, paano ba natin gagawin yon? So, here in our MOT side, back na lang tayo. You see these three line icons on the right top side. Tap nyo lang po siya. And then, tap nyo lang po yung ating sales report. So, base resibo, titingnan natin what is the date. And then, tap nyo lang po yung list. Lalabas na po siya. So, you see the SO number 35 here. We're going to select that one. And you have an option here. It could be you want to void it, you want to reprint it, or makikita po natin yung receipt image. But since this is the void process, tap na lang yung void. The need of a user admin password is very important po because hindi pwedeng mag-void yung mga cashier natin. So, input lang po natin yung aking admin account. Read my password. And once you're good to go po, tap lang natin yung OK. So, there is a record. Bakit natin kailangang i-void siya? This will be reflected onto your reports. Let's say, wrong purchase or for replacement, depends on you. Tap lang natin yung confirm and then automatically the system will confirm void sales is successful. So that is how we do the voiding process here. And this one po will automatically be viewed doon sa reports natin. So how do we identify po doon naman sa reports kung nakapag-void na po tayo? Here in our sales report po, you can actually see here that the SO number 35 is already voided. So, ayan po, may record na po siya. Okay? So, that's how we do it po.